Rachel, and I'd like to talk to you today about how interior designers source products. Every design firm is different, and so I can't speak for other designers. I can only speak for Waldron Designs. At our firm, our priorities are your health, your safety, the quality of a product, and their ethical process, how they manufacture the product. Our sourcing process starts long before we've even met you. In fact, it started many years ago when Waldron Designs was launched, or maybe even before that, when I was a college student. I don't know. But what we've done is we've developed a rubric system after many, many years of learning about products, attending continuing education units, and implementing products in people's homes to get feedback on those products. Now, we like trying new things, but we don't like trying new things at the homeowner's expense. And that's kind of what the process had been up until our scoring system came into play. We have taken all of the products that we typically specify and that we have trade accounts with, and we've implemented them into the scoring system, which prioritizes health, sustainability, material quality, and the process of manufacturing. Once we start working with our clients, some of the first questions that we ask are your budget, your timeline, your goals, how you want to feel in a space. And once we've established that information and some preliminary schematic designs to give us an idea of your aesthetic, then we go to our scored list of products. Now, we don't go through the list and be like, that one, that one. And we don't go into the showroom and shop. Another thing that we don't do is pop into retail stores on a regular basis so that we become more familiar with our products. We don't typically work with retail. So if you're thinking about hiring a designer to help with your retail sourcing, sure, we'd help, but we're not much more familiar with it than the store reps are. The products that we understand are the products that we have trade accounts with the actual manufacturer. They may be carried in a store, but our priority is working with a manufacturer that develops a designer level quality product. Now, many of these products, I go through my list and I find the right look, and I go and look at that manufacturer and find the right look and plug it into your design. But there are also many products that I work with trusted reps, and those reps have taken years and years of relationship building. We take your schematic design that we've developed and that you've approved of, we present that to our product rep along with a list of requirements for the products that we're looking for and a list of the products we're looking for. So our plumbing rep might get a full list of plumbing products. That rep then replies, providing us with a spec book that we can access online, viewing all of the products that fit the requirements that we've put forth, filter out that list until we're down to a couple different products. And that's what we present to you. These products will have met your budget, they will have met your timeline, they will meet our rigorous scoring standards, and you've got a product that is not just off the shelf selected, that is not just picked off the shelf because it looks cute. It's selected to make sure that every product that goes into your home is right for your space.